Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade coming at you with a card share video. I'm joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag SatMoreMakes. Hashtag SatMoreMakes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl cards here on YouTube. She wants you to craft all week and then share your designs on Saturday morning. 2crafters1design is Melissa, who's Mo Creations, Lisa, who you see I'm a Diva, Gloria, who's Girlier's Cards. And they give you a theme each week to use and share your items that you made using that theme. So this week's theme was arches. And so I made a card. I'm a little late. Yesterday was yard work, and man, I was so worn out that I didn't really do anything after that. So let me share with you what I used to make my card. So first up, I pulled out this Autumn Wonder set by Spellbinders. There's 24 cutting dies. You use this with the envelope of Wonders die set. But I'm making this card for a coworker whose birthday is next week, and he loves mushrooms. And I knew I had some little mushrooms on this set, so this is why I used this one. And for my arches, I used the Perfect Touch arches from Spellbinders, and it also has a tag in the middle. I don't think I've used the tag before, but these are the arches that I'm using this time around. I used paper from my card stash, which is Basil paper. And also, I want to share with you real quick, also with this die set, I used this leaf right here, this little sprig. So here's the card. It's kind of different. I used a sentiment that I had cut out and I have in my stash. I don't know what die set is from. I'm thinking probably one from AliExpress that I got years ago. And I thought it looked really cute. I have this kind of blank space over there, and I had cut out some other mushrooms, but I didn't really like the color of those mushrooms that I made, and I thought I had another little baby blue one, but I don't see it. I thought about putting it there, but I think it's fine. They all kind of more get on the left hand side. So I popped it up with some foam squares so it have a little more dimension, but I think it turned out good for, you know, a masculine card for someone who likes mushrooms. I think it's adorable. Let me know what you think below, and check out all the other designers for hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag SatMoreMakes here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a current subscriber, thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the support I get on my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.